Okay, okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm barely no makeup at all, okay? This video is purposely for unboxing. Let me just I don't know how to. Let me just Okay, this video is for unboxing my first Michael Kors bag. Okay, for me maybe, for you maybe it's very cheap, but for some people or for others it's not so cheap. So this is Michael Kors, authentic, definitely. This is the first time I have the bag from a branded bag. I would say branded bag. Okay, this is my first time I have branded bag with my own money, and then with my work. So yeah, let's just open it. Okay, I don't want to explain it a lot. Just unbox. Just unbox bag. This is Michael Kors Dome pink blush. Pink blush. I think this one. Pink blush. Okay, pink blush dome. Okay, this one. I'm really excited. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Okay, they so many clear tape, yeah, but very good, yeah. I mean in packaging. Okay. Okay, let me just open it to another side, okay? So okay, hey. Okay, okay. No need lah ya. Oh. Tara! Tara, tara. Wow. Can you see this is okay. Wait. Michael Kors pink blush, and there is a tag. The new one, yeah. This is the tag, and this is, let's say, let me just Jet Set Travel Dome X Cross X Body. So this is, yeah, Michael Kors, yeah. They still have the name tag with the paper. Okay, this is the dust bag. I think this is the dust bag. Is it? Yeah, this is the dust bag. Sorry. Michael Kors, they came with the, I don't know, the silver one. Look at this. Silvery. Glittery. Like so shiny. Sorry guys. This one and the chain. Let's just open it, yeah guys. I am so happy to have this. Thanks God. Very happy with my own money. Yeah, sometimes you just need to be proud, yeah. And I just like, you bought what you have. I mean, if I don't, you bought what you can pay it. That's the thing, yeah. A lot of papers. So this is, and they come with this one makeup pack. I think this is for the bag so the bag would not be dirty or something. Okay, okay, ini I don't know. This is the care card. This is the care card. I have the care card also. Later on, yeah, guys. Later on. So I'm going to show to you this one. And then there is a Michael Kors here. There is a one pocket here, and this is very spacious also. Yeah, it's very spacious, and this is very good one. So I think that's it, guys. This is my first Michael Kors bag. So yeah, thank you. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you so much.